In this video we'll show you how we can use the automatic feature to create contours and patterns within PartMaster CAD. So I've started the CAD system, so if I start a new drawing, then what I'll do is I'll just draw a couple of shapes, just anywhere, doesn't matter where, and then we'll put some circles on. And then we'll change the size of the circles. And so on. So we've got a drawing there which is made up of circles where we can create a pattern of holes and contours for milling. So to use the automatic feature, we first of all need to select the area that we're interested in, and then we go up to the machining menu, say automatic parts. So you can create only contours for milling, only patterns for drilling, or you can create both. So if you say both, then what it does is it scans the drawing, finds any circles and assigns them to a pattern. So you can set different depths for the patterns. So this is based on the size of the holes. So this one is finding the holes which are 10 millimeters diameter, and now it finds holes the next size up, which is 20, so we can set the depth for those. And now it finds the contours, and we can assign the work surface and depth to these contours. And if it finds any circular contours, it'll ask you for the start point, which is normally at the 0 degrees position, which is 3 o'clock. So if we click OK, then that has created a list of contours and patterns. If we go to the NC gallery, then we can see all of those, and here you can, if you want to, modify the depths of those features. So if we just go into File, Save As, and I'll call that Auto 2. So we take that into machining. So these are all the contours and patterns that we've created. If we look in ISO view, or we look in the front view, we can see the different depths. These are the smaller holes, these are the bigger ones, and the bottom is the contours. So you can go through and you can create your machining instructions based on that. Okay, so as far as it goes, that's it, and it's nice and simple, and it works really well. There is one other thing that I'd like to show you. If we go back into the CAD system here, the other thing that we can do is that when it's automatically creating the contours and patterns, it will assign them in the order in which they were created. So in some cases that's okay, and in some cases it's not, but there is another feature which you can use. Having created the contours, if you go into the NC dialog box here, you've got a button over here which is sort. So you can sort the contours, or you can sort the patterns. So if we sort the contours and then choose the sort origin, so if we say the upper left, for instance, then what it will do is it will reorder those contours. If you get this message saying there's no toolpaths in the drawing, do you want to sort the contours instead, just say yes. Okay, so that will sort them. It's not guaranteed to be 100% sorted going from top left to bottom right, but it will make life much better for sorting out if you've got large numbers of contours and patterns. So that's how it works.